Are you embarrassed by ugly feet in sexy sandals? Are dry, cracked feet ruining your stockings? Don't put sexy shoes on ugly feet. Now treat your feet to a foot makeover with Pet Egg, the amazing new foot grooming miracle that removes old, dried skin in minutes. Don't use potato peeling tools. Pet Egg is so safe and gentle it won't harm a balloon. Nasty foot shavings make for messy cleanups. With Pet Egg, the callous skin stays inside the egg, so you can use it anywhere without the mess. Then just toss it in the trash. The secret is the micro grooming safety surface that takes away calluses, revealing smooth, young, sexy skin. Simply rub Pet Egg across the surface of your soles to reveal younger, smoother, softer skin. Pet Egg removes layers of dried, cracked skin. Ergonomically designed, it fits perfectly in the palm of your hand for a fast, easy pedicure. You've never seen anything like it. Just look at the difference. Listen to what these ladies had to say about Pet Egg.
In just a few minutes, the Pet Egg removes all the dead skin from my feet, leaves them smooth and soft, and they look great in sandals.
And I feel that it's a much cleaner and sanitary option than going to a salon and paying top dollar for a pedicure every 2 weeks.
Results are incredible. My feet are very smooth, very soft, and I'm not embarrassed to have dry, cracked feet anymore.
Now you can own the amazing Pet Egg for just $10. But wait, call right now, and as a free gift, we'll send you another Pet Egg. Plus, you'll get the Miracle Foot Repair Cream for baby soft feet as a bonus. Just pay separate shipping and handling. Which foot would you rather have? Look at the amazing difference. Show off your sexy feet with Pet Egg. The complete Pet Egg package, just $10. So call right now.
To order by credit card, call 1-800-861-7938. But call now. We're giving away a second Pet Egg and the Miracle Foot Repair Cream free with today's orders. So call 1-800-861-7938. That's 1-800-861-7938.